Water pumping systems and clean water pumping systems are a unique sector of the pumping industry. Clean water is any water that can be safely touched by humans. Potable water is clean water that can be safely consumed. There are two unique types of clean water pumping: booster systems and transfer systems. Booster pump stations pump potable water typically to housing developments or other types of infrastructure that require drinking water. Other clean water applications include water recharge, water reuse, and irrigation applications. Clean water applications are unique in their design and intention. A clean water system may be pumping clean water for reuse in a new application such as irrigation, or it may be pumping clean water from a collection basin to be treated. This is where Romtec Utilities is uniquely suited to tackle the project. Romtec Utilities approaches each design from a fresh perspective and engineers the correct system for the specific site scenario. All requirements and expectations will be met by the Romtec Utilities pump station, whether they are environmental or owner specified. Romtec Utilities works with all brands so our customers can get the components they prefer for a long-lasting, efficient, and familiar system. Providing all the design and supply of the system, as well as the clear documentation, Romtec Utilities can configure the perfect pumping system for your clean water scenario.